Hello, students. Welcome to Writer's Workshop. We keep asking ourselves, how can I teach my readers as we work on our teaching books? And our last lesson was about being sure to include pictures with picture power, with teaching power, like arrows, captions, and zooming in or close-ups are things that help. Today we are going to stay on that topic and we are going to study books like a writer. We are going to take a look at where in books they use numbers, examples, maybe maps, pictures, shapes, and colors to teach their readers. This is an example of a page from a book about owls. It says about 200 kinds of owls live in the world. So it's giving specific numbers. It says they make their homes in other birds' nests or holes in trees. It gives examples. It gives maps. It has pictures and it uses shapes. The eggs are round. And it also uses colors. Owls have gray, white, or brown, orange feathers. These kinds of details can help teach your reader. We're going to start to study books like a writer with the book we've been reading for a while. We are going to go back to sharks for a minute. And if we go through sharks, I bet we'll find lots of examples of size, shape, color, words, and numbers. Here we go. So, wow, even on the first page, Chomp, in the kind of introduction with the riddle, it says, what has 5 rows of teeth? It's being specific with a number, 5 rows of teeth. Here in the picture, it's very clear how you can see the shape of the tail. And it gives an example about how tail fins are larger on top. Okay, so specific words describing the shape, and the picture shows the shape. On this page about eggs and egg cases, it uses specific numbers. It says that the mothers lay up to 5 egg cases at a time, and in 9 months, the pups are born. So again, using numbers. On this page, more numbers. It can smell 1 drop of blood in 25 million drops of ocean. Ooh, this section was about teeth. Here's another number. A shark uses up more than 10,000 teeth in its life. Oh, and on this page, there are lots of examples of using shapes and examples. So here, the pictures are close up of the different kinds of teeth, and shapes are described. It says long, spiky teeth, so it's describing the shape, long and spiky. Flat teeth, describing how they are flat. Serrated teeth, remember that means that they have this jaggedy edge, so that's all describing shapes. And over here, we can see also clearly in this picture the shape of a triangle because the tooth is shaped like a triangle. If we keep going, there are more numbers on this page, right? For example, the fastest shark can swim up to 20 miles an hour. We're going to stop there with examples from sharks and also take a look at some student examples. So let's get back to the book about lions. On the very first page, the writer uses numbers to show how tall a lion is. For example, it says down here, they can be very tall. They can grow up to 9 feet tall. And you can do the same thing in your book. A little further along, when it's talking about how the male lions nap a lot, they take 20-hour naps. It uses a specific number, 20-hour naps. Here's a book we've not looked at yet. It's about snakes, and we'll look through the whole book another day. But this page is about The green anaconda. So this is about size. The green anaconda is huge. They are bigger than a full-grown man. They are bigger than a polar bear. They are 20 feet long. So it talks about the size and it gives a specific number. On the very front page of this book about Labrador dogs that we read before, the writer uses color. Right away, here, Labradors can be 3 colors. They are golden, black, chocolate, or a mix. So, students, I want you to think, go back to your books, and think about how you can use size, shape, and color words and numbers in your teaching books to give your pictures more teaching power. So here's an example of size, a big dog and a little dog, big and little. Here are some different shapes, circle, square, triangle. When you're describing maybe the parts of an animal, you can compare them to a shape like triangle-shaped ears. Different kinds of color words, and these are examples of numbers: 10 pounds, 20 feet, 5 months. I want you to think about how you can use size, shape, and color words and numbers in your writing today. Off to your writing.